Juma, Ramogi TV, Migori.
Seneta makaunti ma Kakamega Boni Khalwale koro dwaro mondo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oriembe tich jatend migawo mar ohala Moses Kuria kod nyawadgi mateko Davis Chirchir kaluwore kod idho mar nengo mauta e pacho ka.
Khalwale wacho ni jotend migawo ariyogo osebedo ohinga ne okenge ma itemo keti mar duoko piny nengo mar mauta thurka.
Owacho magi kinde nyasi moro mar ike kaunti ma Kakamega.
Mheshimiwa Rais, I want to tell you today from Kakamega, watu wenye umepatia kazi wamekuingiza kona mbaya sana. Mtu ambaye anaitwa Minister for Trade, mtu ambaye anaitwa Waziri wa Energy, na mtu ambaye anaitwa your economic advisors, lazima watuambie sisi wa Kenya, what did they mean? Lobabola bakulanga makure from government to government, then things are worse. You suck these people when you pay yamakura yekalushe hase. I was elected in this country of Kenya to serve the poor. I don't care whether the rich people find petrol rich expensive, but I care President Ruto, suck these people, otherwise serikali yako sasa at a small functioning like this inaanza kukaa kama iko na sura mbaya. Kweli urongo.